The power of customer reviews can transform your business into a fan favorite among clients and prospects alike. Sid Graef, owner of Spectrum Window Cleaning, experienced remarkable success thanks to the influence of positive reviews. As Sid explains, happy customers can turn into enthusiastic advocates, sharing their positive experiences far and wide. Imagine if those satisfied customers had a powerful platform to express their appreciation. This is where reviews shine. When people read glowing reviews, they build trust before ever engaging with a business, paving the way for new connections. During our discussion, Sid revealed an important truth. Many customer fans simply forget to leave reviews despite their good intentions. After sending out over 1,000 review invitations, Sid found only 70 responses, highlighting the challenge of follow-up. Sid chose NiceJob to automate the review process, making it easier for loyal customers to share their thoughts effortlessly. With a few clicks, he watched his online reputation soar, gaining new reviews before even finishing the initial invitations. Sid concluded with a powerful endorsement. NiceJob makes gathering reviews easy and saves precious time for business owners.